Installation and maintenance. An annual plumbing inspection on your home can be worth its weight in gold. So you want to make sure that when you have an annual inspection on your home, that the plumber is looking at this device. He's actually taking a regulating monitor, and he hooks it up to your valve so that he can see what the pressure is and adjust that nut on top in order to make sure that your pressure is set properly for your home. If it's not set properly, possibly the PRV has gone bad, because fixtures do go bad, especially ones that have high pressure on them, and this device does. You will want to make sure that's replaced in order to protect your home. So the benefits of regulation on your home is that you're going to save water. So with that properly set water pressure, you're not going to waste water as much. So you're going to have properly set water so that you have less waste of water. Your fixtures are going to actually end up having a longer lifespan because you don't have that pressure on your fixtures. And same thing with your appliances, like your water heater. With that pressure on those things, you're going to have abnormal wear and tear unless you keep that set properly. So we want to try to save your home from damages and also regulate to make sure that we extend the life of your home's water fixtures and stuff. Some of these things can be done yourself. So there's do it yourself and there's professional. If you want to do it yourself, that's not a bad thing, as long as you understand your home's water system and have the technical skills to do it and tools to do it.